Letter J! Letter J! Uy! Letter J! Letter A!
Eligible for undergraduate mechanic license a person must be at least 10 years old. Are you 10 years of age? Be able to read, speak, write, and understand the English language. Citizen of the Philippines or citizen of a foreign country, granting similar rights and privileges to citizens of the Philippine subject. However, the existing treaty or treaties and agreements in terms of by the Philippine government with foreign countries and subjects further to security measures adopted by the Philippine government.
Wala, kailangan ano picture yan? Video yan? Naka-video lang yan? Naka-video tayo ngayon. Hindi, kailangan. Dala natin sa ano? Abroad. Yun, texter. Texter. Udah, tagpuan mo siya.